So I'm making them chicken burger.
Chicken burgers out. Mama.
Yeah.
Chicken burger.
Yeah.
Mama, chicken burger. What was chicken meat before?
Oh no, why are you using your head?
I was just dancing and then I did my hand.
Try to make lunch for these boys. Yes. Yes.
Is that for Ronnie?
For both of you. Yeah, you guys should go wash your hands, please.
Why, let's go wash our hands. Why do you come and wash your hands? I said, I gotta go wash your hands. Wash your hands. I will do something.
No fighting, please. No hitting, no fighting. Thank you.
Mama,
Yeah.
go wash your hands.
Yeah, wash your hands. There's one fighting to another. This boys.
Okay.
You want to eat your stuff. Come and have your stuff. This one cannot wait. Can't wait for fries. Yeah. You see?
EQ.
Huh?
EQ.
You're welcome. Yeah. Oh, I love this.
Yeah.
It's just food.
What do you mean?
What do I mean?
Fries is my favorite.
It's your favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why did I put a lot? Yeah. One more?
Yes,
I don't think you want.
That's it.
Okay.
You want to go out?
Wait, okay, ketchup.
Yeah. Let's ketchup.
It's bottom there. Okay. That's it? Or are you going to put something else?
That's it.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
I'm going out, sorry.
I don't think Roddy wants.